Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our online math lesson today. It is Monday, November the 30th, and it is the last day in November. I cannot believe we're almost to the last month of the year. We are going to work this week on subtracting within 20 using all different strategies. So it is Monday, November the 30th. I want you to give me the big Superman pose with your hands on your hips. Take a deep breath, stand tall, and repeat after me. I can subtract within 20 using my strategies. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first one down here at the bottom says I can subtract using objects. So today we're going to use objects. So if you need to go ahead and grab some blocks or anything that you have around your house, you need 20. So go ahead and pause the video and go get whatever objects you are going to use for today. Okay, now that you have your objects, let's continue. Our first problem says Mr. Holbrooks made 15 chicken sandwiches to sell. Miss Holbrooks bought 3. How many does Mr. Holbrooks have left? So we know an important number is 15 and we know another important number is 3, but let's see how those are related. So it says that Mr. Holbrooks made 15 sandwiches. So go ahead and pull 15 of your objects out. You might need to pause the video to count out 15. Once you have your 15 objects, let's continue reading. It says Miss Holbrooks bought 3. So if she bought 3, she's taking 3 away from Mr. Holbrooks. So in that group of 15, go ahead and pull away 3. And it says, how many does Mr. Holbrooks have left? So you had 15. Miss Holbrooks bought 3, so we took away 3. How many are left from that group? Go ahead and count what you have left. If you counted 12 chicken sandwiches left, you are correct. So 15 minus 3 equals 12. Okay, you can go ahead and mix up all your objects again or put them back in one big group. We're going to go to the next question. How cute. Look at Miss Honey Bunny. Okay, so still using our objects, this problem says Honey Bunny had 16 carrot sticks. Honey Bunny then ate 3 of them. How many carrots are left? So we know an important number is 16 and 3, but let's see how they're related. It says that Honey Bunny ate 3 carrots, so that tells me we're subtracting because she's eating them, they're going away. But what number, how many carrot sticks did she start with? She had 16 to begin with, so go ahead and count out 16 of your objects and put them in a pile. Once you have your 16, it says that she ate 3. If she's eating 3, they're going away, so then you're going to take away 3 from that group and push them to the side. And how many are you left with? Count your answer. If you counted 13, good job. Kiss your brain. Mwah. 13 carrot sticks are left because 16 minus 3 equals 13. And remember, we write a 13 with a 1 and a 3 because it's one group of 10 and 3 extra ones. Okay, now we're going to move on and subtract with drawings. So looking at our problem here, I have already got my groups drawn, but you can go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil and pause the video, get that, and then play it when you're ready to start. Okay, welcome back. Now that you've got your pencil and paper, let's read this problem. It says, Miss Dobbins decorated her tree with 17 ornaments. Miss Holbrooks came and borrowed 8 of them for her tree. How many are left? So we know that 17 and 8 are important numbers, and it says that Miss Dobbins decorated her tree with 17 ornaments. So the first thing I want you to do is draw 17 pictures. Now, usually in school or in class, we just use circles because that's the easiest, quickest way to do things. So on your paper right now, draw 17 circles because she started with 17 ornaments. Okay, now that you have your 17 circles drawn, it says Miss Holbrooks came and borrowed 8 of them. So if Miss Holbrooks is borrowing 8, she's taking them away from Miss Dobbins. So we're going to cross out 8 of them. So on your paper where you have 17 circles drawn, I want you to count and strike out 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good job. So now that we've crossed out 8, because that's how many Miss Holbrook's took from her or borrowed from her, we can count what's not crossed out to get our answer. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ornaments are left because 17 minus 8 equals 9. Let's go to the next one. All right, so still using drawings. Our problem says there were 12 Christmas trees on a farm. 5 got cut down. How many trees are left on the farm? So what are we starting with? We're starting with 12 Christmas trees on a farm. So go ahead and draw your picture of 12. Again, you can draw a Christmas tree, but in class, a lot of times we just use circles because that's the quickest and easiest thing to do. So go ahead and get your drawings of 12. Then it says 5 are cut down. So how many do we need to mark out? 5. Let's go ahead and do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are left? I can find out by counting what's not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is my answer because 12 minus 5 equals 7. Very good job. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining our math lesson on subtracting within 20 today using different strategies. Make sure you follow the numbers underneath the apple for today's date to do your assignments. See you tomorrow.